Every morning, the sun gently rises, casting its first light into your home. The world begins to stir, and you can feel that quiet, subtle promise of a new beginning. In that moment, there's a simple pleasure in starting your day with something warm and nourishing. Something that fuels not just your body, but your spirit. Oatmeal, that humble yet powerful breakfast, quietly steals the spotlight. But as you spoon it into your bowl, you might not realize the full potential this simple grain holds. Oatmeal isn't just a filling breakfast. It's a cornerstone of health that provides nourishment in every bite. What seems like a simple meal is actually packed with an impressive array of nutrients that can transform the way your body feels and functions. Each bowl of oatmeal brings with it a cascade of benefits, from heart health to weight management, making it a nourishing foundation for a healthier, more vibrant life. Oatmeal, the superfood you've been waiting for. Oatmeal is more than just a convenient breakfast food. It's a true superfood. When you think of oatmeal, you may picture a steaming bowl of comfort, topped with a spoonful of brown sugar or a handful of fresh berries. But beneath that soft, creamy texture lies a powerhouse of nutrition that can set the tone for your entire day. Each cup of oatmeal provides around 8 grams of fiber, a nutrient that plays a crucial role in digestive health, weight management, and heart health. Fiber is something we often hear about, but it's far more than just a buzzword in nutrition. It's the unsung hero in our diet, working tirelessly to keep us healthy in ways we often overlook. Oats contain both soluble and insoluble fiber, with one of the key types being beta-glucan, a soluble fiber that's particularly beneficial for heart health. This fiber works by binding to cholesterol in the digestive tract and helping to remove it from the body. As a result, regularly eating oatmeal can help lower LDL, bad cholesterol levels, and reduce the risk of heart disease. But that's not all oatmeal does for your body. The soluble fiber in oats also helps regulate blood sugar levels by slowing down the absorption of glucose into the bloodstream. This process helps prevent spikes and crashes in blood sugar, keeping your energy levels stable and reducing your risk of developing type 2 diabetes. For anyone struggling to manage their blood sugar or looking to maintain a healthy weight, oatmeal is an invaluable ally, a nutrient-rich start to your day. In addition to fiber, oatmeal is a great source of several essential vitamins and minerals that are vital for maintaining overall health. Calcium, potassium, and zinc are just a few of the important nutrients found in oatmeal. Calcium plays a key role in bone health, helping to keep your bones strong and resilient. Potassium helps regulate fluid balance in the body and plays a critical role in muscle and nerve function. Zinc, an essential mineral, supports a healthy immune system, wound healing, and the production of proteins and DNA. While oatmeal may not be able to provide all the nutrients your body needs on its own, it certainly offers a strong foundation to support a balanced, healthy diet. When combined with other nutritious foods like fruits, nuts, and seeds, oatmeal becomes even more powerful. It's the ideal breakfast food to start your day with a nutrient-rich, satisfying meal. Oatmeal and weight management. One of the most well-known benefits of oatmeal is its potential role in weight management. If you're looking to shed a few pounds or maintain a healthy weight, oatmeal is an excellent addition to your diet. But it's not because oatmeal is a fat-burning food, it's because of the way it helps you feel fuller for longer, naturally reducing your overall caloric intake. The fiber content in oatmeal helps to slow down digestion, which not only keeps you feeling satisfied after your meal, but also helps curb those mid-morning hunger pangs. The slower digestion of oatmeal also means that your blood sugar levels stay more stable, reducing cravings for sugary snacks later in the day. When you feel full and satisfied, you're less likely to overeat or indulge in unhealthy snacks. Moreover, the protein in oatmeal helps support muscle growth and repair, which is essential for boosting metabolism and maintaining lean body mass. A higher muscle mass leads to a more efficient metabolism, helping your body burn calories more effectively throughout the day. Oatmeal and heart health. We've already touched on the benefits oatmeal has for cholesterol, but its role in heart health deserves a closer look. Eating a bowl of oatmeal every day is one of the most effective ways to protect your heart. The beta-glucan in oats not only helps lower cholesterol, but also helps reduce the overall risk of heart disease. By improving cholesterol levels and supporting healthy blood vessels, oatmeal promotes cardiovascular health and helps reduce the risk of atherosclerosis, a condition in which the arteries become clogged with plaque. Additionally, the potassium in oatmeal plays a role in regulating blood pressure. High potassium intake has been shown to help lower blood pressure, which is a key factor in preventing heart disease and stroke. With oatmeal's ability to support both cholesterol and blood pressure regulation, it's an all-around heart-healthy food that can help protect against the leading causes of death worldwide. Oatmeal and digestive health. Digestive health is another area where oatmeal shines. The fiber in oatmeal is a natural digestive aid, promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. The soluble fiber in oats absorbs water, helping to bulk up stool and facilitate its passage through the intestines. For those who struggle with digestive issues, like bloating or irregular bowel movements, oatmeal can provide much-needed relief. Furthermore, oatmeal supports a healthy gut microbiome. The prebiotic fiber in oats serves as food for the beneficial bacteria in your gut, helping to nourish and maintain a balanced gut flora. A healthy gut microbiome is crucial for overall health, affecting everything from digestion to immunity to mental well-being. Oatmeal and mental health. Did you know that what you eat can affect your mood and cognitive function? Oatmeal may not only benefit your body, but also support mental clarity and emotional well-being. The complex carbohydrates in oatmeal are digested slowly, providing a steady stream of glucose to the brain, the brain's primary source of energy. This helps keep your mind sharp and focused throughout the morning, without the energy crashes that come from refined sugars or highly processed foods. The fiber and protein in oatmeal also play a role in stabilizing mood. By preventing the blood sugar spikes and crashes that often lead to irritability, anxiety, and fatigue, oatmeal helps you maintain a calm and balanced state of mind. Plus, the zinc and magnesium found in oats are known to have calming effects, supporting healthy brain function and reducing the symptoms of anxiety and depression. How to enjoy oatmeal, toppings and customization. One of the best things about oatmeal is how customizable it is. While oatmeal on its own is nutritious, the possibilities for adding even more nutrients and flavors are endless. Fresh fruits like berries, bananas, and apples not only add sweetness, but also provide extra fiber, antioxidants, and vitamins. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, walnuts, or chia seeds, are great sources of healthy fats and protein, helping to keep you fuller for longer. For a flavor boost, try sprinkling your oatmeal with cinnamon, a spice known for its ability to help regulate blood sugar levels. You can also add a dollop of Greek yogurt for extra protein and probiotics, which support gut health. If you like it sweeter, a small drizzle of raw honey or maple syrup will do the trick, but keep it minimal to avoid excessive sugar intake. With so many options to choose from, oatmeal can easily be adapted to suit your personal taste and nutritional needs. The key is to keep it balanced and avoid overloading your bowl with too much sugar or overly processed toppings. Moderation is key. While oatmeal is an incredibly healthy food, moderation is important. Eating oatmeal every day can be part of a balanced diet, but it's also essential to incorporate a variety of other foods to ensure you're meeting all of your nutritional needs. Oatmeal should be just one piece of the puzzle, not the entire picture. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats will ensure your body is getting the wide range of nutrients it needs to stay strong and vibrant. Also, keep in mind that too much oatmeal can cause bloating for some people, especially if they're not used to high-fiber diets. It's important to listen to your body and adjust your intake as needed. The takeaway: a simple, powerful choice for your health. So, should you eat oatmeal every day? The answer is yes, with balance. Oatmeal is an incredibly nutritious and versatile food that offers a wide range of health benefits. It's not just about what it does for your heart, blood sugar, or digestion. It's about how it makes you feel energized, full, and ready to take on the world. By incorporating oatmeal into your diet, you're making a simple yet powerful choice to nourish your body and improve your health. It's not a magic food, but when combined with a healthy lifestyle, it can be an essential part of your journey to wellness. So, the next time you prepare that warm bowl of oatmeal, remember, you're not just fueling your body for the day, you're giving it the nutrients it needs to thrive. Stay balanced, stay mindful, stay radiant. This is Vital Dynasty.